Hi kids! Today we're learning about amazing reptiles. Scaly, slithery, and super cool. Snake.
Yay! Snakes have no legs and move by slithering on the ground. Can you wiggle your body like a slithering snake?
Turtle.
Yay! Turtles live in water and hide inside their hard shells. Can you pretend to hide inside a shell?
Crocodile.
Yay! Crocodiles are strong reptiles that live in rivers and swamps. Snap your arms like a crocodile's big jaws.
Lizard.
Yay! Lizards climb walls and eat tiny insects. Can you crawl like a little lizard?
King cobra.
Yay! King cobras spread their hoods and are very famous snakes. Hiss loudly like a cobra.
Tortoise.
Yay! Tortoises walk slowly on land and live for many years. Walk slowly like a tortoise.
Chameleon.
Yay! Chameleons can change the color of their body. Pretend to change colors like a chameleon.
Alligator.
Yay! Alligators live in rivers and catch fish. Snap your teeth like an alligator.
Gecko.
Yay! Geckos are small lizards that stick to walls. Clap your hands like a gecko's sound.
Komodo dragon.
Yay! Komodo dragons are the biggest lizards in the world. Roar like a giant dragon.
Monitor lizard.
Yay! Monitor lizards have long bodies and climb trees. Stick out your tongue like a monitor lizard.
Python.
Yay! Pythons are huge snakes that squeeze their prey tightly. Stretch your arms wide like a python.
Viper.
Yay! Vipers are fast and very venomous snakes. Say "sss."
Rattlesnake.
Yay! Rattlesnakes shake their tails to make a rattling sound. Shake your hands like a rattlesnake.
Softshell turtle.
Yay! Softshell turtles have flat, soft shells and love water. Pretend to swim like a turtle.
Coral snake.
Yay! Coral snakes have red, yellow, and black stripes. Point out the colors like a coral snake.
Skink.
Yay! Skinks are shiny, small lizards that live in soil. Wiggle your fingers like a running skink.
Caiman.
Yay! Caimans look like crocodiles but are smaller. Open your mouth wide like a caiman.
Iguana.
Yay! Iguanas are calm lizards that love living on trees. Stretch your arms like tree branches for an iguana.
Boa constrictor.
Yay! Boa constrictors wrap tightly around their prey. Hug yourself like a boa.
Basilisk.
Yay! Basilisks can run so fast they even run on water. Stomp your feet quickly like a basilisk.
Anole.
Yay! Anoles are small lizards that can change colors. Show your happy color like an anole.
Gharial.
Yay! Gharials have long, thin snouts for catching fish. Make a long nose with your hands.
Green tree python.
Green tree pythons hide among the leaves. Stay still and hide like a green python.
Box turtle.
Box turtles can close their shells tightly like a box. Pretend to close yourself like a box turtle.
Frilled lizard.
Frilled lizards open a big frill around their neck.
Thorny devil.
Thorny devils have sharp spikes all over their body. Point your fingers out like thorns.
Black mamba.
Black mambas are one of the fastest snakes in the world. Run fast like a black mamba.
Hognose snake.
Hognose snakes have funny upturned noses. Make a funny nose face like a hognose.
Painted turtle.
Painted turtles have colorful patterns on their shells. Show your hands like a rainbow turtle shell.
We learned so many reptiles today. Snakes, lizards, turtles, and more. Keep watching for more fun preschool learning videos every day.